This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lee Gallops. Discover this beautifully designed contemporary pool home offering modern comfort and style. Featuring a spacious open split floor plan, this residence is perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. The thoughtfully planned layout separates the primary suite from the guest bedrooms for added privacy, while the open concept living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly. Step outside to a covered patio and beautiful pavers that frames the sparkling pool, ideal for enjoying Florida's sunny days or hosting evening gatherings. Pool also features a ledge for seating and lights. The backyard is fully fenced with vinyl fencing for privacy. The home also has an attached two-car garage with an additional golf cart space ensures ample room for vehicles, storage, and your golf adventures. Tucked away on a quiet dead-end street, this home provides a peaceful retreat while still being just minutes from the villages, the VA clinic, as well as convenient shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Whether you're seeking a permanent residence or a vacation retreat, this home offers a perfect blend of modern living, convenience, and resort-style relaxation. Close enough to take the golf cart to Publix. For more information, review the details below or contact Lee Gallops at 352-817-1519.